watching Theodore Adventure JA.
Stop, boss. There you go.
As you get fingers when it starts up, and then from there it spreads out into the palm patterns.
Yeah guys, morning again, it's Ivan's Taxi. To contact me, 1758-726-5760. Welcome to the north of the island. This is called Cape State, St. Lucia.
So guys, we are up on the road this morning. Good morning to all my beautiful subscribers out there. Good morning to everybody. Make sure everybody doing well this morning. Make sure everybody doing good. So Ivan, I take us on another part of the island. So this is actually the rich part of the island. Be rich people live here. As you guys can see, this is a golf course. So I'm going to bring us around. We are going on. What the place name we are going today?
The northeast of the island.
The northeast of the island.
Babuno. We're going to Babuno also.
Yeah. So guys, you know, just go and stay tuned. I'm going to leave him number in the description link. So you guys can, anyone who come to St. Lucia, you can go up on a tour with him. Him friendly. You can ask any question if you know if you reach, so Ivan can take you there. So I'm going to leave him number in the description and make sure you reach out to him if you come here. You have some nice bus and I bus them cold like a refrigerator. Remember me tell you that I'm comfortable. So just go and stay tuned till we take on a journey. Guys, over there is actually a next island. I don't know if you can see it. Over there called what?
Cape State, the top of the island. This is far north.
No, over
Martinique.
Martinique. Oh guys, over there is Martinique. I try to hold the phone steady so you guys can see it. Yeah. If you look properly, you see it. And them say it's actually bigger than St. Lucia. You go way back down there. See? Guys, you out here without fear, no man. Yeah, man. Ivan tour I bring you around the place, same way. This is just a tour where, like, normal tourists do this, you know. This is just like a little hangout day. Ivan show us around, same way. Yeah, man, really appreciate that. Yeah, man, the location is nice with the up on the hilltop. You can it last, eh? Rather than up on a hillside. Yeah, man. See right there. Clean. Guys, on the sea golf course down there, sir.
This is a golf course they're building. A company from Canada named Cabot. So this whole property, before they used to call along the Donkey Beach, but now it's sold out. So it's a golf course that's going to be there.
And it's a company from Canada.
Yes, a company from
own
Canada.
it. Okay. Yeah, man. So look at excavator down there. Yeah, and you have the small one right there. And you have a big one right there. Come on, guys.
And this beautiful beach to the bottom in the bay, the cove, is called Kazaba Beach.
Kazava Beach.
Kazaba.
Kazaba Beach. Puff.
It's a French name.
I don't have to bite my tongue. Come on, peeps. Look at the view. Breathtaking. Who's the life are nice? Be rich people live up here, saying guys. Be money people. If you have money, you can't come up here to come live. guys, if you can look properly, you see some man down there work on the golf course. Guys, and this actually look better in person. If you stand up right here, so which part of there and feel a breeze here where I come from off of the sea. And just look on the greenness of the grass down there, the land. Off there, guys, may I tell you. And I'm not normal. Look at the golf course big, man. A whole of years a golf course now there. Way down in a gully. Hey, pretty strong up here, sir. Everyone peeps don't hear our little. Well, I'm not say little still because just going to tell Chris that I never been to a stadium before. Chris I laugh off of me a bit. But I never got a stadium.
Jamaica never been to a stadium. A joke thing, man.
I never got a stadium for
You
sure.
got to enjoy yourself, man.
What is the name of this stadium?
Darren Semi Cricket Ground. It's written up there. You can see the sign.
Oh, I'm zoom it up, guys, so you can see it. See it? Yeah, man. But them actually play football over here as well.
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes.
It's a cricket ground.
Oh, the pitch, the right over there, guys. And if you can see it. Yeah, man. Nice stadium. Place bright up. Yeah, man, Chris saying gas stadium already, you know, so Chris I live his life, you know.
Like we see sun at night, when them big guys at night time, I see them play so.
Right, like a daylight.
Right, like a day.
I'm going to go say, yo, look at my ball, Professor.
For sure,
Yo.
Yeah, we turn the cover and make a loud sound and then come on.
Poof. Boom. Boom. Take on the journey, you know. We're nobody going away. Yeah, man, we just tour on the place today, you know. Make sure we try to cover every ground. We have got some place where we don't go if we come here. Yeah, and make sure he might bring us around, you know. Yeah. So just go and stay tuned. Don't go away. Go and stay tuned. Go get no popcorn and relax. It's our boss.
Get the popcorn, sit in. And what I've made, I'm trying to get to the TV.
Hot. Down there is called Rodney Bay, right?
No, this is Marshy up here.
No, down there.
And down there is Rodney Bay. You can see the view. You have a nice view of Rodney Bay from up here.
Pier house, pier building, pier hotel, Airbnbs.
This is what we're doing. We're passing on the inner part of the island now. On the coast of the island. East spot.
Yeah.
Stop.
East north.
Yes.
East north of the island.
So you can see Rodney Bay up here.
Yeah, guys. On the road with it today, you know, outside. Yeah, we are going on a tour everywhere. Everywhere we go today. Yeah, man. It's a vlog. So nobody gonna win, you know, just sit back and relax and watch what happens.
Hi.
She a smile her face. She know you.
No. This is what we get from Tapet City.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Tapet City, everything.
been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just
Mankind skill. Look at that. See the art so pretty? Wonderful. Thank you. Nice. Do it feel. Come take a close up look on it, guys. Look on it. It feels fake. That's the way it feel. You know, like I know one tree just feel like rubber. Yeah, man, today we are going on the aerial tram. Yeah, that thing right there. Yeah, man, we are take a hike, go up in a mountain. Yeah, we're not going to walk on. Outside. Guys, we're going up. Please, how you feel?
Regular feeling.
Alright, so again once more good morning guys, and again I'd just like to welcome you guys to Rainforest Adventures and welcome you to Shelton's Express. So there you go. Again, adding to that, when it comes to this rainforest guys, especially my tram ride, what I'd like you guys to do is some do's and don'ts. Again, please hold on to the belongings, because we don't want anything falling down to the forest floor. If that happens, it's gonna become one of the forest, and at this point, I am sorry about that one. There you go. Again, guys, as we move along, it's just common courtesy what we usually tell you guys. Please, we don't want anybody just stretching out or touching up the leaves that are really, really close to us, especially as we move along. Yeah, you might get an allergic reaction, which is not good. Not good at all. Again, if you look to your right side, guys, as a photographer, so you can give your best smiles or best waves, and you can save vacation, no problem. There you go.
I don't know when it's
Boy. Again, so right about now, guys.
really, I want to for you.
Those photos could actually be purchased at the end of the tour down in the cafe. Again, adding to that, we do have eats and drinks, especially for you guys as we move along.
Unless you really want to.
Now, again, guys, when it comes to this tour, again, guys, I'm gonna be speaking a lot. So if you do not like my voice, just let me know now.
That means be quiet.
Yeah. So you can just let me know. I'm just gonna be quiet for the entire ride. No problem. It's fine. I can do that. I can continue speaking. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Whew. I just felt a weight lifted off my shoulders. I'll show you guys. But again, this is more conversational and educational tour at the same time. So ask as many questions as you feel like. Again, if you do need any clarification on something, you'd let myself know, or you'd let the forest know. No problem. Usually hear the echoes coming back. I'm sure it's not your voice, most likely. Maybe not. Never know. But again, adding to that, guys, again, I'll be giving you guys some brief intermissions just to allow the rainforest to speak to you in a sense. And then for you to have this calm, free, quiet time, especially when it comes to the astronomy. Lovely stuff. Shall we begin?
Yep.
There you go. Again, the community that we're in, this community is what we call Chasse Babono. Chasse meaning to search and explore, and Babono means reach of good water. Because of how amazing the water source is here on the island, especially here within this rainforest. Now again, this rainforest houses what we call a water catchment. So this entire area used to be called the Castries Waterworks Reserve, and I think it's still being called that, the Castries Waterworks Reserve. It used to provide the communities of Castries with fresh drinking water, you could say since the 1916s, a really long time ago. Up until you could say 1995, that is when they built what we call the John Compton Dam. And the water catchment in here is only providing Babono now with fresh drinking water. Now again, when it comes to rainforest in general, this entire rainforest, or any rainforest in general, should have what we call 5 layers of ice stratas to it. If it does not have these 5 layers of ice stratas, then it cannot be classified as a rainforest. And again, the layers or the stratas are, there's the river, there's the forest floor, there's the understory, the canopy, and then there's the emergent layer. These are the 5 layers of ice stratas to a rainforest, along with some characteristics that will solidify the name rainforest. But apart from that, yeah, this is how it is. Now again, when it comes to the lowest layer, lowest strata of the rainforest itself, the rivers. Now in here you can find what we call streamlets, and creeks, and you can say many ravines. Now adding to that, when it comes to that type of stuff, in here the ravines can be used as a form of seed dispersal and all sorts of plants, trees, and animals that
What are the animals?
Now when it comes to the wildlife in here, about 60 to 75% of our wildlife are actually made up of birds. Now adding to that, our 5 are endemic birds in this rainforest. The largest animal you can find on the forest floor is the wild pig. Again, the wild pig is a domesticated creature or animal that will run from the farms and run into the rainforest. When you see one, run. Try to find higher ground. They will attack relentlessly.
Yes, we'll attack.
Yeah. Adding to that, we do have what we call the agouti, which is on the forest floor. It's a rabbit's body for rat's head. Best description I could give you. We usually say a giant rodent. Not just how it is. Yeah.
Giant rodent.
Yeah. And again, adding to that, we do have what we call the mongoose. Again, you guys are probably familiar with that one. The mongoose was actually brought into this island to curb the rat infestations on the plantations. Again, now here it's actually used, or it's actually attacking our snakes. It was one of the reasons why one of our snakes went on the verge of extinction. Almost. Which is called the Snake Racing. Anybody here afraid of snakes? No? Yeah.
I'll get down to our bottom left. Now, right here, you can identify some small crustaceans within them, like crayfishes, crawfishes, crabs, and some small fishes as well. Now again, adding to that, when it comes to St. Lucia, we actually depend heavily on surface water. So what we usually do, we put pumps, pipes, and distribute it to our community. We would actually treat those waters with, let's say, chlorine, which is actually really good. Too much of it is bad, too little of it is not good. Because again, when it comes to that water source, we usually call it raw water because of the high mineral counts within it. Again, if you were to drink too much of that raw water right now, we might be doing them in the kitchen. Again, I'm giving you guys a heads up. Don't want what happened to you, you have to do that. It happens. And that is how it is. Again, but again,
Sharp bar. Where you go?
didn't know we that boy. See that? Yeah. Yeah, man. Now the thing is, when it comes to that, the wasp that was pollinating the vanilla actually went extinct. So you have to Blue Mountains of Jamaica. Again, to your left side with those heart-shaped leaves from that tree right here, that is what we call the blue maho, also known as the hibiscus elatus. Again, this blue maho tree was actually brought in from Jamaica here into St. Lucia to kill deforestation, which is pretty cool. Every single part of that Jamaican tree or this blue maho tree is actually used. Yeah, the lumber is actually said to be on par with that of mahogany, which is pretty cool. Adding to that, the epicomic branches could be used as what we call picket fences. Now the coolest part about it is, and I would say my favorite, is actually the heart-shaped leaves. You take those heart-shaped leaves up, you crush them up, you add a little bit of water to it, and that could be used as shampoo, which is pretty cool. Again, don't let the shampoo get into your eye, guys. It burns. It happens with it once. Forest house a rooting system that benefits them to a certain extent.
So that guys blew my wall.
Yeah, man.
So if you take
How much
attention
in year
to
old?
this 300.
300 odd year old a tree there.
Gaping hole to the rooting area. If the roots to the right side is actually what we call a clasping root that would actually support the structure. Again, every single tree and plant in here goes through a process we call hydrotropism, where the rooting systems would move to about 200 meters to find the water source. Again, this ficus tree is actually taking about 8 to 10 gallons of water. Which is great.
Chris, you want somebody to make furniture? What you say?
Again, the most interesting part about this ficus tree is
board for
actually
days.
it's
Be a furniture, eh?
called the fig. I'm sure you guys know that one. Again, they call this ficus tree the banyan tree, where it is said that Buddha
Yeah, guys, look at yourself. Guys are far up there, nah? Yeah, nobody feel like a joke thing.
down to your bottom
See you
line,
put
you
it.
actually see one of the water cascades we do have within this forest.
Panel leaf for them beautiful.
We do have waterfalls in here, but it's actually deep into the forest. We don't have a set cap. But you have to find your own way there. I'll be training you from here.
You are such a motivator.
Not at all.
That was pretty good. I have to give you a score for that.
Now, adding to that, these fern trees are actually said to be older than the dinosaur age themselves. There we go. That's the reason we call this area Jurassic Park. Now, adding to that, these fern trees, to the very top of it, it does have those white flowers we call fiddleheads. You could use those fiddleheads, boil them up, and eat them. They taste similar to that of asparagus, cauliflower, broccoli, that type of stuff. Now, here on the island, what we actually do with those fern trees, we'll take the heart of the
Why
fern
this
tree, we
chocolate
call the
stuff,
pith of the fern tree. Put them in water overnight.
Hi.
Now again, we do have
to our right side alongside this tree again. Now majority, well, some of you could say a couple of those trees in this area is what we call the Boalagli, also known as Sapian Caribbean. But alongside the tree here, you can actually see those dark green bushes. Those dark green bushes are actually related to pineapples. So they're what we call bromeliads. Now again, they're not parasites, they're what we call air plants. So they would get the nutrients from the surrounding air and the rainfall as well. Now adding to that, these bromeliads are super cool. They do have an enzyme in them that breaks down flesh. So we call those enzymes bromelain. Now again, I'm sure that has happened to you guys before, where when you eat up a pineapple, you feel like your gums and lips are itching you. This is actually the bromelain breaking down your flesh, you could say on a molecular level. But again, don't worry guys, just put some water in your mouth, shake, 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 and you'll be fine. Sort of. Now again, adding to that, these bromeliads does have a center, or you could say a compartment within the center of them, we call a tank, that stores water. So if you were to collect all those bromeliads within 1 hectare or 2.5 acres of land and you drain it off its water source, you'd be collecting up to 1 liter of drinkable water from it. Okay, I'm just messing around. About 500,000 liters of water. Yeah. Again, that there's a small ecosystem on their own, where you could find some birds actually coming and take some water from them, or you could get some tree frogs within there. You could get some mosquitoes inhabiting the area.
Yeah, guys, them have zip line up there. People are excited. Yeah. Guys, when the eye is getting out, so when we come back down, you see how far we are going way up in the sky. That way I meet God. Yeah. When we reach here, so I'm not really so scared. Yeah.
I'm gone.
Jump out.
Right there, there we go.
Oh yeah.
You hear that, guys? Try zip line one time and never try that again.
You get right over some water and it opens up and you fall down about 15 feet into the water.
Yeah, we did that one.
Yeah.
Jumped off of it.
That way we don't have water to the top, so you might just fall down.
Yeah. That could be a problem.
Yeah. Yeah. The highest point you can find on this tram.
You see them? Yeah, man. I don't know if you can see them enough, but I'm trying my best.
Can be also called pine.
Zip lining.
Now the pretty cool thing about these deliconia leaves, you could find about 35 on the island, 35 species. In general, you could get about 500 species worldwide. We're about 1,200.
People are go back down there.
Yeah.
So right in there.
Good boy. That never true.
125 feet or 20 feet. You drop a one thing can't save on a Red Bull. Red Bull give you wings.
Fly out.
Yeah, nothing else can save you if you drop. What can save you? And a Red Bull not there closer. Wanna know that go. Boy.
And kosher meaning pig. Again, on the island, when we did with that back in the days, we cut the back of the tree, put it in the sun to dry whilst we twist it up, and then from there we'd actually use that to tie our cattle, pigs, and those type of stuff. But again, the fruits that you're seeing is actually one of the most appealing fruits, but it's deadly.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Yeah, lovely stuff. So right about now, again guys, to your left side, you get to see what we call the wild nutmeg, also known as Swartzia caribe. Now again, with those wild nutmegs, they're a little different from the actual nutmeg itself. That one right here does not have the mace over it. It looks like the nutmeg, everything has to do with the nutmeg, but it does not have the mace over it. And that one, eating it right off the bat could actually kill you. Along with the actual nutmeg that you guys know of, eating too much of that can kill as well. There's a hummingbird right here. This one is what we call the purple. Nice. Sigma, after the vac here.
We'll see.
Yeah, makes sense.
Then glasses were looking ficky. Boy. Sorry, bro.
Oh, that snake?
Something has run through
Yeah,
it.
the snake just fell. Remember the snake we saw there?
Oh, we're up move fast.
So we're about to hit one of the peak heights on this gondola of 1,500 feet above sea
Hey.
level, or about 120 feet above the forest.
What? Something almost hold on. Keeps out there.
Now we do have the Caribbean Sea
there.
to our left, the Atlantic Ocean to our right side. Straight ahead of us on the, you can see a really clear day. We actually see Martinique, which is 21 miles north of the island.
People really climb up on it, man.
Yeah. Again, adding to that, the view that you're seeing, this is what we call Chasse and Barbados in its entirety. Looking lovely as ever. Now, I tend to call this entire view 50 shades of green. Voila. Nice.
50 shades of green. Guys, look at that. Some other people are come up there. Zoom them up and make it for them. See them guys? Look like them they close to us, but actually they're not. Yeah. So why we not on the helmet again? Yes.
Oh, we don't need helmets. Only zip liners do.
Oh.
If you wanted a helmet, you could have told me that. I would have taken one for you. Yeah.
So me see everybody in that have them helmet, guys. So yeah. Chris, you feel scared? Eh?
I'm gonna keep silent. Yes, but yeah, no nice at all.
I'll tell you one, which one of them trees smells? Have a funny smell. I must say wild nut egg. So you say wild nut egg good for now if you eat it?
Now what?
The wild nut egg.
What's up?
What is good for if you eat it?
Oh well, nutmeg is actually, it lowers your blood pressure, not overdose, but good enough could actually lower your blood pressure. It's actually really good in terms of your everyday.
Guys, look at the wild
uses.
nutmeg.
But the wild nutmeg, on the other hand, is not good at all.
Oh, if you eat those
Yeah.
ones,
The-
you're
you
going
can't
to
eat
shut
the
that
wild
line.
one. The regular ones, then yeah, that's fine. But the wild ones, nah. Again, if you turn your attention to the right side, this is actually the highest point you can find within this rainforest, and it is what we call La Saucière, also known as the Sorcerer's Mountain, touching a peak height of 2,142 feet above sea level, give or take. Yeah, there you go. Now again, adding to that, La Saucière constant sugar. Yeah. But out of all of that, the coolest thing about hummingbirds is actually the process they go through. They go through a hibernation process we call torpor mode, where they would hang upside down, similar to that of a bat. When they do that, their heart will drop from the 1,263 to about 7 to 8 beats per minute. When that happens, they would sleep for a span of 12 to 18 hours, which is really cool. Now again, when it comes to the hummingbirds, the sad thing is they live for every 3 to 5 years, which is sad. And they have to feed every 10 to 15 minutes because if they don't, they die. So yeah, do have a
Guys, you see how far?
do have a hefty toll on their backs. But they survive though.
Guys, we actually almost reached back on the base, you know. Yeah. Some of that tourists that come up.
indicating that from the pine tree to the back of us is where the rainforest starts and is. From the pine tree to the front of us right here, this is what we call the Hummingbird's garden, where majority of the plants and trees in here are mainly used for decorative purposes. Again, adding to that, these pine trees could also be called the monkey puzzle tree. Reason being, if you were to put monkeys on there, they would be puzzled, hence the name. There you go. Yeah. Guys, I gotta see.
Watch out for the snake.
Yeah. Right. Now again, adding to that, one of the main use cases of those pine trees, you get the very top of it, you place it in your living room and you decorate it up. There you go. Christmas tree. Now again, we do offer a small walk or small hike. We can just walk through the Hummingbird's garden right here, and then from there we head down to the cafe, get our complimentary drinks, and then from there we call it a day. So it's up to you guys to actually decide what you'd like to do.
Return back to glory.
I forget the papers on the road.
At this feel good. Yo. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is going on YouTube. Guys, over here is so neat setup. Over here is actually a private property, separate from over there. As you guys can see, we have to come across a bridge, come through a gate. Nice with the settings. Here is like a little bar. Relaxing, a little family chill with. If you love nature, you can come here. So. All of the flowers, them, the trees, you hear the birds, them in the background. They have a lot of that bird here. And they actually have breadfruit trees, all like breadfruit over there. So we have breadfruit up on the tree. jelly, papaya. Look on this. Look on the flowers here, guys. Pink and green. Pretty. Beautiful. Guys, I come take on back the journey though, because there were a lot of places to be today. So I got one food stuff now because I get hungry. Just have some what juice name? Tamarind juice. Juice that is nice. Well nice. Yeah guys, so here is where we come and have lunch just a while ago. Glamity, yeah man, the food tastes good. Jerk pork up. Goat water, because of that it name in a goat water. Yeah, right here is a bar. Yeah, we're still out here with Ivan. Yeah, tour driver, you know. One Ivan, not the Storm.
One and only.
Yeah. Original, no carbon copy. Yeah man, in here comfortable, me I tell you peeps.
Local style.
Yeah. Ship. Yeah. So you said down there is called Castries?
Yes, this is the capital. Castries Central.
Guys, look at the view. And you call this $1 million view?
Yes. $1 million view of the island.
See that? Peeps, earlier on that video when we say we visit the cricket pitch. Yeah, hit that right down there.
Yeah, there's a cricket, there's a football.
And our next football field there behind it. See that?